Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope everyone is doing good. Let's check the big players position, what they have did today in the F&O and in cash market. We'll follow by FII. In future index in long they were having 29.6 long position. Today they have increased their longs, reduced their short by 4%. And in option index call they were holding 22,000 of call buying position. They have unwinded maximum of the call buying today and they have made a call writing of 8,000 contract. Put side they were holding a 1.74 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded maximum put buying contract 92,000 put buying they have unwinded and they are holding 81,000 contract now. And in cash market they have purchased for 2,572 crores. So see they are reducing the short and increasing longs in futures, and in options they have reduced the shorts here also. It means they are hedging their positions slightly, they are becoming positive only. Now let's check client are the retailers. In futures long they were holding 58.5 percentage long positions, and in short they were holding 41.5. So today they have unwinded longs and increased short by 2%. And in option index they have increased the call buying position and they have reduced call writing positions. So in call buying they have increased 2.54 lakh contract, and in call writing they have unwinded 1.08 lakh contract. So here they become very much positive in options, and in future slightly profit booking they have done today. And in cash market they have purchased for 655 crores. So client is bullish now. Now let's check proper desk. Prior trading day in future index they were holding 66.4 long positions. So they have unwinded long and increased short by 1%. And in option index in call side they were holding 99,000 contract of call writing. So they have increased the call writing by 2.23 lakh contracts. So they have 3.23 lakhs of call writing now. And in put they were holding 85,000 of put writing. So they have booked a profit of 20,000 contract, still holding 65,000 of put writing. So here they have hedged their positions while call writing, and here there are slight bullish. And in cash market they have sold for 582 crores. Now let's check the technical analysis. We'll see in Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has formed a shooting star kind of a candle today. So it is just wait and watch now. We have to check do there is this resistance is going to break and make a new highs, or there is some consolidation going to happen. Anyhow, the data is neutral to positive only. Now let's check the Nifty in 1 day time frame. It also has given a doji kind of a candle near its resistance. So it is still wait and watch. And even we have seen there is a reduction in the volume. So it is still wait and watch whether do this resistance is going to break with good volume, or do there is a consolidation going to come. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.